Welcome back to my channel. Today is a quick trip video visiting a popular out-of-town location. We are heading to the Red Barn, a relaxing and peaceful place, with a mountain view. A great foodie destination for home-cooked meals while listening to the sounds of nature. You can stay the night or spend the day. Getting there from Bacolod City. You have to drive towards Bacolod Silay Airport. On the side of the airport, is a road that will take you to this mountain destination. The drive from the capital city is about 45 minutes, to an hour by car. Around 40 kilometers distance. I am doing a time lapse of the last 22-kilometer drive up from the airport. It is another 30 minutes, if your departure point is the airport. We are here. Welcome to the Red Barn. For those itching for a day trip, or staycation for the weekend. This is my recommendation for great value for your money, relaxing, surrounded by nature, best spot to re-energize mountain hideaway that is within 1 hour drive. I will take you on a quick stroll within the property. You will appreciate the greenery, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and feel refreshed in the cool weather at this altitude. In some days the fog stays till noon. If you add a good native coffee or hot cocoa with that, that would be a good recipe for relaxation that we all need once in a while. This is the place to go to, if you're looking for a home-cooked meal where most of the ingredients is sourced within the property. As you can see, aside from the flowers, and plants that only grow in cooler weather, they do grow vegetables as well. Let me show you the tea house. This is a quiet place for big groups to book and away from the restaurant crowd. This is the larger area. A smaller size one is just a few steps below for smaller groups that prefer that same tuck-away spot. At the edge of the property is a flowing stream. The clear, cold flowing water with that river-type sound completes the whole nature experience. I got caught taking the moment seated on a hardwood bench, glancing at the goats and horses roaming the area where they had fenced off. In other words, I did not get to the stream below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel by clicking on the channel logo or the YouTube subscribe symbol on the lower right corner of this video. Looking forward to create more content with my travel adventures. Thank you again for the support.